Welcome! In this tutorial, we will go over how to redeem loyalty rewards points for free product. Redeeming points can be done on either a loyalty order or a standard order. The process is virtually the same. We will use a loyalty order in this video. To redeem points on a loyalty order, click on Edit Order from the loyalty order you wish to purchase with. In your cart, add all the items you wish to purchase. Then go to the Use Points column in order to apply points to the items you want to redeem. Any items that are eligible for point redemption will have a drop-down menu which allows you to select the quantity of items which you want to purchase with points. After you select to use points, a pop-up will appear reminding you that point orders need to be processed immediately. Click OK. Please note that any item purchased with points will not add PV to your order. You can track how many points you have by looking at the remaining rewards points listed at the bottom of your cart. Remember, you must have enough points to purchase an entire item. You cannot use points for part of the cost of a single item and then pay for the difference. When placing a loyalty order with points, you'll need at least one item that is being paid for without points to make sure there is at least one PV on the order. Because this is a loyalty order, it cannot have 0 PV. Note that this is not the case for a standard order. In a standard order, all items may be purchased with points. Once you have applied points, make any other edits to the order. For example, add items to pay for, remove items you do not want, change the payment or ship to information, or select the desired shipping option. You can click on View Totals to double-check the total for this order. Once your order is ready to go, you must select the Continue and then Check Out options to process the order today. Because you are redeeming points, you cannot save the order to process on your scheduled date. If you're not ready to have the order process, you will need to remove the point items in order to save your loyalty order for a later date. Once you click Check Out, you can proceed to process the order now. Thanks for watching and enjoy your oils.